My name is Aleksander Dyo. I'm from ICO Max. And what the ICO Max is, we are securities compliant tokens marketplace. And that builds right into the building the communities of people who believe in the blockchains because in this day and age, ICOs are all about, from the public perspective, scams or something in the relationship to pump and dump. But we want to change this perspective in the way that the community have to believe that this is a breakthrough from the technological standpoint, and that's what we're trying to accomplish. I think the first and foremost what needs to happen before we look at the substance of surrounding of technological application, but rather the core values of a company or the industry in general. So long as there is a value underneath of that, so the community will support it anyways. However, what kind of tools do you use? Yeah, absolutely. There are many tools out there available, and these tools are popping up every day. Do you use them all? Do you use a specific? It really depends on what kind of demographic or the kind of a community that you want to reach out to. But so long as you have a core value that you want to bring up to the community and let the community pick it up, and then distribute among their community and create the organic growth rather than you attempting to commercialize it and spread the good story, if you will, about yourself. I believe first, if you have a core value of your program, then the community will pick it up through all of these tools that are available in the marketplace. I believe, first of all, what needs to be created is the community or a platform of solid projects. So what we do, we essentially allow the ICO marketplace go through the funnel of a proper screening, and then matching this screening to appropriate investors or the communities that crave for that particular or any particular product. Number two, we do the full underwriting, assigning specific price points on why this ICO have to have the price of this or that, using the principles of the IPO world. So the investors and the communities will see a clear picture of why this project has a potential, whether it's a scam or it's a unicorn. So they will definitely see themselves the dynamic development of the project. And finally, what we do is forgot the word for that, rating. So in this day and age, there are a lot of rating companies like ICO Bench, nothing to say wrong about it, but it's a static review, but where we do more of a dynamic review. To answer on your question, how do you stand out as an ICO company in this day and age and essentially delivering or connecting to your communities is using strategic pools such as perhaps ours, to be properly underwritten and delivering this message to the end users, such as the investors and the communities in general. I believe what the organizers of this conference, we share similar values because LATOKEN, it's all about tokenizations of assets. We truly believe in the tokenizations as well, and we want to promote this together. We really love the dynamic of this convention because it attracts a lot of interesting people, and I believe LATOKEN BF does a great job of joining the proper pools of investors, startup companies, service providers, just name it all, or just people who are in general interested in learning about the blockchain, and I love it.